I can't wait to show you my newest listing. This house is in the Lakeside community in Kissimmee, Florida. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1972 square feet. This house has a beautiful formal living room, dining room area with a family room, and I cannot wait to show you the porch area and the backyard. This house is ready for a beautiful family to create some new memories. I cannot wait to give you a tour. Come on. Is this not a great home? This house is centralized to everything. It is close to the airport, the turnpike, restaurants, shoppings, you name it. It is so within minutes, you have everything close by. I want to show you this beautiful house. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Lilliam Yambo. I am your Central Florida Realtor. My number, 407-908-0976. I am with La Rosa Realty Kissimmee. Give me a call. I want to show you your future home.